Hi my beauties, my name is Jan, cosmetic formulator for Salon Perez, and today I am going to show you how you can make your mineral foundation into a liquid foundation using one of our new products, a natural face oil. So I'm going to just remove my facial makeup right now and show you how it is applied.
To start, gather your mineral foundation powder of choice and our natural face oil. You can use any mixing tray or even a plate. Today I'm using a mixing tray typically used for acrylic nail varnishes. Also a blending brush is needed. Here I am using our eyeshadow blending brush. Our natural face oil is a unique blend of squalene and jojoba oils, providing a natural glow without feeling greasy. It's a perfect match for our mineral makeup, especially good for dry skin. Using the brush, thoroughly mix the powder and oil until you achieve a smooth liquid consistency. Adjust the oil amount for your desired coverage. Apply the custom liquid foundation to your face with the blending brush, or you can even dot onto your face with the fingertips. I felt that I needed a little bit more foundation, so I mixed up a second batch for more coverage. This technique is not just for foundation, it can also be used for our blushes and bronzers, shading powders, or any of our mineral foundations. To blend, we use a buffer foundation brush or sponge to blend the foundation onto your skin for a seamless finish. Make sure that you blend really well. And you can always apply a little bit more of the foundation to areas where you feel you need more coverage. And you can even use your fingertips to blend. Now we're going to turn our attention to shading powder. So this shading powder can also be mixed with the oil, the same method as before. Now I use this shading powder as a shading powder, but also found that it's a really good concealer for any age spots that I might have. So I apply a little bit of this blend to the area by patting on the foundation onto the age spot, and then I brush around the edges, and I find this works perfectly for my skin. But I also use it as a shader. And this is perfect for sculpting and defining the face. And again, you make sure that you blend really well using either a sponge or a foundation brush. Now you can leave your skin like that for a natural glow, or if you desire an extra touch, you can apply our Silk Veil Mineral Powder. Using a kabuki brush, you lightly dust the Silk Veil powder over your face for a soft, airbrushed finish. And to complete the look, let's add a touch of bronzer to the temples and outer cheek areas for a sun-kissed glow. Just be careful not to go overboard like I might have done in this video. Oops, a tad too much bronzer there. But hey, we can always blend it out for that perfect sun-kissed glow.
So as you can see, it was pretty easy to do and a much healthier option than applying the liquid foundations that are out there that are full of silicones and harmful ingredients that are harmful to both you and the environment. So if you have any questions, please do contact me. Otherwise, it's bye for now.